There's some people getting ready to go to the beach. Look at that white water right there. Hey everybody, Baron and Bren Bruno, Professionals FIJI Real Estate. We are near Seaview Drive in Corotongo, Olasara area, near the town of Sigatoka along Fiji's coral coast. And if you're looking on a Google map, that is on the main island of Viti Levu. And that's on the sort of the south central part of the main island, and you're gonna see where that is. You can certainly call us at +679 999 2051 and go to professionalsfiji.com to learn more about this really cute property that we have for sale right now. And you can see there's 2 units, 2 bedroom 1 bath, 2 bedroom 1 bath, nice covered side area there. 2 huge patios here that are covered as well. And look, we have a little visitor. He's been following us around. How's it going? So walk with me here, and you can see we're going to start here at the patio. Really great breezes right from the ocean, which is literally right over that house there that we just came from. Phenomenal Airbnb right here. If you're looking to come to Fiji full-time or part-time, looking for an investment property that's going to make you money, this is a winner, because this thing has been booked out solid since they've owned it. And we can talk to you about all the rates that they've been getting and how they are doing those rentals on sites like Airbnb. And we can help you with that if you need help doing the short-term rentals, and of course long-term rentals as well. But you can see the little fridge, microwave, little convection oven is where right there, and sink, gas down below, cute little sitting area, extra storage. Here is the bathroom, tiled, great shower stall and toilet. You have a great also back patio with really beautiful greenery and mountain views in the back. And this is great, super convenience to Queens Highway and getting to and from either Nandi, where the international airport is, or Suva. So we're kind of halfway between Suva and Nandi, the 2 big towns here. And I'm gonna walk up so you can see the second loft bedroom. So this is a perfect place for somebody part-time, full-time, really cute, vaulted ceilings. And like I said, if you want to learn more about how to do the rentals and specifically this property, go to professionalsfiji.com, call us at +679 999 2051, and we can get you all the details on this property and all of the properties that we have for sale and for rent here in this 333 island nation of Fiji. Look at how cute this is. I mean, can't you just see yourself just hanging out right there? Glass of wine, just came back from the beach, great snorkeling, literally right there. How cool is that? So we look forward to hearing from you soon. We hope you're doing well. And as we say in Fiji, Venaka, just thank you, and then Mote. We'll see you soon. Let's see. There you go. All right. Cheers. Bye.